Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago. One of the best model agency in Okinawa, Southern Cross, Okinawa. And I have this image, and also I shot a lot of pictures on this shooting, but I'm gonna pick up this one today. And I have this subject, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, I made a watercolor type image last year. Well, not on oil painting, not yet. In the future, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna try something illustration type image this time with using that changing blend mode on this layer. Well, let's get started. Now I'm gonna change the blend mode beforehand. Yeah, let's see. Change blend mode on this base image. Pencil drawing type image, normal, to, let's see, so many different blend mode. Let's check out some colors. This is pretty saturated color, yeah, compared to original image. Overlay gets real saturated. Yeah, luminosity is pretty interesting. Kind of an illustration type of image already. Yeah, I'm interested in this type. Well, let's use this luminosity image as a base. Okay, let me try this. Now select multiple to get this. So duplicate layers. Now merge selected. I got this image on one layer now. Then I'm gonna move down in between these pencil drawing type and original image. Did I make a mask on this? But beforehand, I want to add some color, so I'm gonna add layer for color. Okay. Now let's see. I want to select some kind of painting to what's interesting texture. Brush, impressionist. Let me see. What kind of impression is this? Well, let me try some kind of pastel color. Real subtle, you don't see. Because of this pencil drawing type image, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, well, clear. Then again, change, find something interesting. Wet brush one. I'm going to try till I find something I like. Close. But I want to change wet bristle. Roughing brush. Oh, nice texture. Yeah, this is cool. I want to try something illustration type image. So maybe this is good, goes well. This is soft pastel, maybe. Let's see if I change this. This is interesting. I've never done this. This is pretty interesting. Okay, well, I decide. Soft pastel. I'm gonna add on here. That's nice. Yeah, let's continue. Yeah, I kind of like it. I like this, yeah. Well, now I want to create empty mask. Then I'm gonna hide to show this base image. Let's see. Same texture, soft pastel. I got it. I have this color on here, so you see. Yeah, now I know. I gotta change this. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna erase some. Now let's see. Yeah. Now goes to natural, I think. Well, pencil drawing type image. Darken, multiply, change to, let's see. Well, now I want to change this pencil drawing type image. Blend mode goes to saturations, colors, a lot nicer here. Now I'm gonna change this to multiply, color burn. How about this color burn? Much more darker, huh? Well, I can go down maybe 50. Yeah, still it's darker. 25. Touch. Yeah, this is not bad. Okay, just to remember color burn, or let's see, others. Overlay. A little bit lighter. Soft light, hard light, soft. How about pin light? Luminosity again. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I like color burn 50. This is too dark. 50 is much better. Yeah. Well, leave it. Pencil drawing type. I'll change to blend mode. Color burn. Even 30% is fine. Just a touch. Yeah. Okay, leave it 30% now. Then let's see. Well, so far it's kind of nice. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I'm kind of satisfied. This image, light illustration image based on photograph. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. I found that brush, pretty nice brush. I like that soft pastel to paint it on, and change the blend mode using the luminosity to get this kind of illustration type image. And well, I really appreciate for you guys support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.